Good morning, my name is Akraf, and in this video, we are going to talk about a quite interesting VESTA bracelet. It is a bracelet designed to transmit a medical alarm along with the geolocation of the person who presses it. It features various transmission technologies, including F1, allowing us to integrate it with any VESTA panel for local alarm transmission. Additionally, it can be linked via Bluetooth to our mobile phone for alarm transmission when we are out of the panel's range. Equipped with Bluetooth for mobile connectivity, location tracking, and reporting to other users. We'll see that it's also capable of two-way calling. This is one of the functions that we will witness in real-time operation. Another interesting feature is its waterproof capability. It is IP67, so we can submerge it underwater without any problem. Now, let's perform an activation test to show you what happens when it's pressed. We have set it up to turn off the lights in the entire room and also report our location while initiating a two-way call. All of this with a simple press. We press it. Observe that it has turned off the lights in the room, and immediately it is making a two-way call to the contact phone we have. Here we have the two-way call, and we can speak and listen. Also, from the application, we can see the location of the person who pressed it.